Hi guys, so I went to Aldi to pick up some items for a particular, I guess, how I'm eating, and then also some stuff for the family. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I wasn't going to record, but I said why not, since my camera is right here but everything is not laid out. I spent like $70. That wasn't too bad, but again, the reason why I was trying to pick up some of these items because they were, I'm thinking about Weight Watchers. I'm not sure. So let me go ahead and haul this. So I picked up some crushed tomatoes, some biscuits, of course those are not for me, some cabbage, and this was a small one. It was like $1.49. The tomato sauce is 49 cents this week with a limit of 6. One of their 7 deal buys or something. I can't remember the name of it. I picked up some spinach, and this is like to saute it in the pan to cook it up, maybe like for meal prep. I picked up the Greek non-fat yogurt, and I got the big thing because I wanted to try the bagels, the Weight Watchers bagels that you make with the self-rising flour, and it's something else. And then I have that Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, and I want to do that because I think it's like 1 point for the bagel. Then I picked up some kidney beans. It's a couple of, I think I picked up 3 of those. Some Great Northern beans, some cookies and cream ice cream for them because they love it. And they're always looking for something sweet in the evening after dinner. 2 things of the honey wheat bread. I picked up some tortilla chips. And then for some reason the past couple times I went in there, they didn't have any 80/20 ground beef. So I picked up, it said temporary out of stock. I don't know why, but I got the 85/15, which is higher. Normally the 80/20 is like $6 and something. This was $7.47. The ground turkey is $5.99. The bread is 99 cents. I forgot to say that. And this is $4.19. I said what I was going to do was start to make a price sheet and get Jason to, he's really good at Excel now because some of his classes he's taken. He had to learn it and he had to use it. I know I had to learn it in some classes, but I don't know how to use it as good as him to set it up for me. So he's going to set me up a price sheet so I can write down all these prices. I can tell over the years they have went up gradually in different locations. They're different prices as well. But I want to know the prices if I can't remember by heart. And for couponing, because I was looking over what was on sale for coupons, and I was like, I can go get taco seasoning or chili packet seasoning at Aldi for cheaper. So that's why I want the price sheet. And then these are on sale this week for 99 cents. I think they're like 1 something normally. The Fit and Active sugar free, and we've been using this, like putting it in a jug or a pitcher and drinking off of that. I picked up that and the fruit punch with a limit of 6 this week. The other 85/15 ground beef, I picked up some buttermilk jumbo biscuits, some thick and chunky salsa. I don't know how many Weight Watchers points this is. I don't think it's much. I picked up some pepperoni, some reduced fat cheese. Oh, I should have got some taco cheese, but it's okay. Some chili hot seasoning mix, and I got a regular somewhere. I picked up the Never Ending Any mild Italian style chicken sausage. I don't know how many points this is, not because I haven't signed up again yet. So I think that's my best bet was going to work for me. And lots of protein, which the new Weight Watchers, I don't know what's it called. Is it Freestyle? I don't think it's Freestyle. It's something. It's so much better. And I'm just going to stick with that because that's what works for me. And for as my personality, I have to have like accountability. I have to have like some type of coaching and so forth, even though I keep going anyway on my own. Some tomato, basil, and garlic. Some tomato, onion, and garlic. I knew they had this for a while and they had them in plastic jars, but now they're back to glass. But I don't remember them having the tomato, onion, and garlic. I think this is new. even though they do have another green one, so you have to watch it. I think it's something in mushroom. These were 49 cents this week, so that's why I got 4. The super sweet grape tomatoes, these are 129. Here is the Great Northern beans. All the canned goods, or all these beans, were 49 cents. And like again, guys, like last week I was going to go to Harris Teeter, stock up on the string beans, the peas, and I think it was corn for 37 cents a can. But when I looked today, all these canned goods, because they fluctuate sometimes, were 38 cents. And I was like, I can just get them from here and stock up for a penny more without worrying about going to a different store. So I'll do that soon. And then some zucchini, maybe to make like some zucchini boats or something. And then I got some more of the smoked uncured ham, the family size, because Trail already killed like one side already. And then some crushed tomatoes, which he's about to go back to school. Some chili original seasoning mix. There's the other tomato and garlic, basil and garlic. Some light sour cream. Some chili powders, 99 cents. The sour cream, I don't remember, guys. Usually it's like 129. I think it's like 99 cents. Some more kidney beans. And Jason wanted his cookies. This is one of the reasons why I went in there and ended up picking up more stuff, because I wanted stuff that I knew that I'll eat with my diet. Something is missing. My salad. Uh-oh. Let me go find it. It's a big thing of organic salad. And then I got some toilet paper. It was $6.29. I like the kind that's compared to Scott's. And then I also got the water for Cottrell. And I told him, don't drink it. Do not drink it because it's for school. So that's it, guys, that I picked up from Aldi. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're a new subscriber or a new visitor. Thanks so much for watching today. And join my Life Full of Hope family. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.